Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the Scrapling. So this is a Python library and a MCP server which can be used to scrape the websites, and we will be using the Scrapling with the Ollama model. So Scrapling is an adaptive web scraping framework that handles everything from a single request to full stack to full scale crawl. So it can handle the website changes as well. So its parsers learns from website changes and automatically relocates your element when pages update. It fetches bypass anti-bot system like Cloudflare, Turnstile out of the box, and it's a spider framework that lets you scale up to concurrent multi-session crawls and pause resume and automatically proxy rotation, all in a few lines of Python code. One library, zero compromises. You will learn the Scrapling Python library and use it with the Ollama. So you should have a Ollama installed on your machine, Ollama version, and it should give the Ollama version. And you need to pull the Coin 3.5 35 billion model. So it is already downloaded on my machine, so it is saying that it's 100% downloaded. Next, we need to open the anaconda prompt, and my project is in D directory, so I will go to this directory and this is the project. To run this project, first you need to install some of the Python libraries, and steps are these. We need to create the Python 3.11 environment. So I am creating the Python 3.11 environment. Now activate the environment. Conda activity I test. So this is the AI test environment. Next, we need to install the Scrapling all libraries. Now the package is installed, and next we need to run the MCP server. So MCP is model context protocol, which enables. Next step is to install the Scrapling. Command is Scrapling install. So it installed the playwright browsers and playwright dependencies. Next step is to run the MCP server, and this is the command to run the MCP server. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it allows the LLMs to talk to the external environments. In this case, it is going to talk to Scrapling, and Scrapling will scrape the website online. So Scrapling is now here. It is running on 8080. It is running on 8000 port. Next, we need to open another anaconda prompt and go to the project directory. CD. Here we need to activate the anaconda environment. Conda activity I test, and this is now activated. Now I already have a program written which is I need to install the Ollama. Install Ollama, and it is going to install the Ollama library. Now you can see. So this is first importing the fetcher from the Scrapling fetchers and then importing the Ollama. Next is the URL fetcher.get roseindia.net. So this is my website, and here, so this is my website, and you can see the description here, different tutorials list. So we are going to fetch this website and use the Scrapling to. We will be using the Scrapling to fetch this URL, then get the content, and finally call the model and pass this text with this prompt. Summarize what website is about and list the main topics covered, and it is going to print the main content here. To run this, type Python script.py, and let's see, it is fetching this URL, and they are using the referrer google.com. Now it should be calling the model, and here you can see the Ollama is loaded the model, and it is 16 GB model, and the memory is also used around 25 GB. So let's see the output. Process through articles, code examples, source code, and curated links to other resources. And the main topics covered is software development process, testing and deployment process, Java technologies, web development, databases, specific to tools and concept, practical resources. So it read the website and summarized the website. In this tutorial, we use the Scrapling to scrap the website, and then use the MCP server, and then integrated the Ollama model. So we use the Qwen 3. We use the Qwen 3.5 35 billion model. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.